Hello guys, so now we are going to learn how to easily make a flower in Illustrator. Let me delete all of this so that we could make it from the start. So first I will go over here and select the ellipse tool, and I will simply create a circle in the middle like this, and let me invert the stroke and the fill. Let me increase the stroke a little so that we could see it properly. After that I will select the ellipse tool again, and from the middle I will create another circle and make sure it is touching the boundaries. You will see the pink lines like this. So now I will select all of this and vertically align them. Let's move them up a little. So I will select this one and duplicate it by pressing Alt or Option and dragging it. Now select all of this, duplicate it and rotate it. Now I will select all of this, select the shape builder tool, and basically we want to remove all of these parts. So to remove anything, you will have to press Alt or Option and simply drag on them, click or drag on them. So these are removed. Don't remove these, just remove these parts. So you will be left with these 4 petals of a flower. Now I will select all of them, then go to Object, and over here click on Compound Path and Make. I will also teach you about the compound paths later on. So now I will simply invert the stroke. After that I will click on Opacity over here, and there are a lot of blend modes over here. For now you don't have to know what blend modes are. We will cover them in the advanced course. Simply click on it and select screen over here. So I will duplicate it and rotate it a little, and we will get this really nice effect. Let me select all of this, duplicate it and rotate it again. Let me make this bigger, and we will end up with this really nice flower. I hope this was easy for you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.